Welcome back to the Daily English Channel podcast.
So good to be here.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Channel. I'm Emily, and this is John.
Hello, Emily. I'm happy to be here.
Today, we will talk about our weekend. We will learn to talk about things we did on Saturday and Sunday. This will help you in your daily English conversations. But first, a quick reminder, if you like our lessons, please like this episode and subscribe to the Daily English Channel for more content. It helps us a lot. Are you ready, John?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start with a new phrase. We say, how was your weekend? This means, was your weekend good? John, can you say, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Very good. Listeners, you can repeat this phrase. How was your weekend? Now let's learn how to answer. We can say, it was good. John, how was your weekend?
It was good.
Excellent. You can also say, it was great. John, how was your weekend?
It was great.
Perfect. So we have a question and two answers. How was your weekend? And it was good. Or it was great. Now, let's talk about Saturday. Saturday is the first day of the weekend. On Saturday, many people relax. Can you say, relax, John?
Relax.
What did you do on Saturday, John? Did you relax?
Yes, I relaxed on Saturday. Good. You can also say, I stayed at home.
John, did you stay at home on Saturday?
Yes, I stayed at home.
So you relaxed and stayed at home. What else did you do? Did you watch TV?
Yes, I watched TV on Saturday.
Great. I also watched TV. Let's say it again. I watched TV.
I watched TV.
What else did you do, John? Did you read a book?
Yes, I read a book.
Good. You read a book and watched TV. Let's review the verbs for Saturday. Relax, stay at home, watch TV, read a book. John, can you tell me what you did on Saturday?
On Saturday, I relaxed, I stayed at home, I watched TV, and I read a book.
Wonderful. You can talk about your Saturday. Now, let's talk about Sunday. Sunday is the second day of the weekend. On Sunday, many people go to the park. Can you say go to the park, John?
Go to the park.
Very good. A park is a big place with trees and grass. John, did you go to the park on Sunday?
No, I did not go to the park.
Okay, what did you do? Did you go to a restaurant?
Yes, I went to a restaurant.
Great. A restaurant is a place where you eat food. What did you eat at the restaurant? Did you eat pizza?
Yes, I ate pizza.
Yummy. I love pizza. Can you say, I ate pizza?
I ate pizza.
What did you drink, John? Did you drink water?
Yes, I drank water.
So on Sunday, you went to a restaurant and ate pizza. Did you see your friends on Sunday?
Yes, I saw my friends.
Good. To see your friends means to meet your friends. What else did you do? Did you go shopping?
No, I did not go shopping.
Okay, let's review the verbs for Sunday. Go to a restaurant, eat food, drink, see friends. John, can you tell me what you did on Sunday?
On Sunday, I went to a restaurant, I ate pizza, I drank water, and I saw my friends.
Fantastic. You can talk about your Sunday. Let's put it all together. I will ask you a question and you tell me about your whole weekend. John, how was your weekend?
It was great. On Saturday, I relaxed and stayed at home. I watched TV and read a book. On Sunday, I went to a restaurant. I ate pizza and drank water. I also saw my friends.
That is an excellent answer, John. Listeners, you can try to answer this question too. Let's practice with some more words. What about a movie? Did you watch a movie on your weekend, John?
Yes, I watched a movie on Saturday.
So you watched TV and a movie. Good. What about the park? Did you see any dogs in the park?
I did not go to the park.
Right. Okay. What about a coffee shop? Did you go to a coffee shop?
No, I did not.
That is fine. We learn new words. Let's review some words from our last lesson. Numbers. How many friends did you see on Sunday, John? 1, 2, 3.
I saw 3 friends.
Good. 3 friends. How many books did you read on Saturday?
I read 1 book.
Excellent. You remember the numbers. Now let's talk about the next weekend. We use the word will for the future. We say, I will go to the park. This means you plan to go. John, what will you do next weekend?
I will go to the park.
Very good. And will you play a game?
Yes, I will play a game in the park.
Great. And will you eat lunch in the park?
Yes, I will eat lunch in the park.
That sounds like a good plan. What about Sunday? What will you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I will go to the cinema.
A cinema is where you watch a movie. Good. So next weekend, you will go to the park on Saturday and to the cinema on Sunday. This is how you can talk about the future. Let's do a short review of our new phrases. What is the question we use for the weekend?
How was your weekend?
And what is a good answer?
It was good.
What do you do on Saturday? Give me 3 verbs.
I relax, I watch TV, I read a book.
What do you do on Sunday? Give me 3 verbs.
I go to a restaurant, I eat pizza, I see my friends.
Very good, John. You learned a lot today.
Thank you, Emily. It was fun.
And to our listeners, thank you for joining us. Remember to practice talking about your weekend, speak slowly, and repeat often. This is all for today from Daily English Channel. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe for a new lesson every day. I'm Emily.
And I'm John.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.